Hello guys, welcome once again, and today I will be showing you how to rectify an error. People have asked me that whenever they update or delete the data or save the data and database exception appears, I will show you like this error appears that says the database file is locked or database is locked. So today I will be showing you how to rectify this error. Just open your NetBeans and go to your source window and just go to at the top of your window and just go wherever you have called the connection. Like here I have called the connection PST and RS. So just before this bracket, try block bracket. Before this, just write here PST dot close. So by entering this code, what the connection will be closed after the processing, the connection will be closed. So just copy this code and just paste wherever you have called your connection. Again I am telling you that before this bracket, just paste the code before this bracket, not anywhere. Just before this bracket you have to write the code like this. You can see here. If you have called some with a name, if you have called these variable with another name, you have to write that. I have called with PST and RS, so I will be closing that with this. Here I have not called RS, so just write here PST dot close. No need to write RS dot close. And do everywhere wherever you have called the connection. Here also I have not called the RS, so no need of here. And finally last one right here also. So now you can run your program. I am not showing you because the error which this exception is not coming in my application, so you can rectify the error in this way I have shown you. So please rate, comment and subscribe for more videos, and must subscribe. I am helping you so much. And if you have any query, you can drop your comments below the video. And bye for now.